Live Lingua Spanish, episode 15, Honorifics in Spanish. I'll be honest, when I started learning Spanish, I didn't actually know what an honorific was. It wasn't until I started learning another language that I actually learned that that was the word we use for titles such as Miss, Mr., Doctor. In the following exercise, we're going to learn some of these. So, for the next exercise, like all the other exercises, we're going to say it in English, then we're going to say it in Spanish. Repeat them both. Let's get started. Empecemos. Miss.
Señorita,
Miss.
señorita,
Mrs.
Señora,
Mrs.
señora,
Mr.
señor,
Mr.
señor,
A male with a bachelor's degree.
licenciado,
A male with a bachelor's degree.
licenciado,
A female with a bachelor's degree.
licenciada,
A female with a bachelor's degree.
licenciada,
Male teacher or male with a master's degree.
maestro,
Male teacher or male with a master's degree.
maestro,
Female teacher or female with a master's degree.
maestra,
Female teacher or female with a master's degree.
maestra,
A male with a bachelor's of science degree.
ingeniero,
A male with a bachelor's of science degree.
ingeniero,
A female with a bachelor's of science degree.
ingeniera,
A female with a bachelor's of science degree.
ingeniera,
A male doctor.
doctor,
A male doctor.
doctor,
A female doctor.
doctora,
A female doctor.
doctora.
Hey everyone, I hope you all enjoyed this video and your Spanish is improving like mine. You can continue the Spanish course by clicking on the next episode, which is on your screen right now. If there's any topic you want me to cover in a future episode, please just leave a comment below. And finally, if you want to get additional free Spanish practice, get early access to all of our videos, and find your ideal Spanish tutor, just click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Hasta pronto.